Hey everyone, this is snacks prepared by Sanvi. We are enjoying this. Very tasty, yummy snacks. She don't want to show her face, okay? Mm, but she is a very sweet girl, cute pea. Bye, very tasty. Thank you so much, Sanvi.